everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Oh, I've just let me put the lamp underneath my phone. Today I've got the Sparkle Supplies UK, gosh, what's it called? VIP box for you for January, which is super exciting because obviously it's the first one of the year. So let's see what we get in here. Here is the box. They always come in these cute little, I don't know why I was trying to explain what the box is like. It really is not necessary. Anyway, let's have a look at what is inside. So first things first, I'm going to show you the little leaflet that you get that tells you everything that's in the box and how much it will be if you were to buy it individually when it goes on sale, which will be the 7th of March. So everything's always a couple of months earlier. So we've got a pigment, which will be £2.99, so hologram dots £1.99, botanical transfer foil for 80p, some lilac drops, which are probably going to be, some like crystals, for £3.29, a glitter for £1.95, and a cubed glitter, which I have absolutely no idea what it means. Probably squares would make sense, wouldn't it? Which makes a lot of sense looking at them now. But anyway, that one would be £1.99. Everything comes to the value of £13.01. I don't know why I said that. £13.01. You can use my discount code to get 15% off as well, which I cannot do off the top of my head, but obviously it will make it cheaper, and they're £12.99 I think altogether. So just paying full price for it, you're already getting a bit more for your money. A couple of pence, but you know, all adds up, and it's all stuff that no one else apart from people who have got this VIP box has got, which is always exciting to have something different. So first things first, we've got the lilac drops crystals. Let's zoom in. I don't know why I'm so far away, and you can't really see the top of because they all happen to be facing underneath. You can see them up here. Look, they're like a lovely lilac colour, but because the bases are black, they're like a dark lilac, which is nice instead of pastel. So that's those. Then we've got the foil, which I'll open up to show you so it's easier to see. Stuff like this is always popular in like March, April, May, the springtime, especially the daffodils. Look how beautiful they are. And these, they're stunning. I don't know names of different types of flowers, but yeah, these are beautiful. So there's loads on there that you get, all those different ones there. And I think off the top of my head, the foils are always 1 metre long. I could have just made that up. I'm pretty sure that I didn't. I'm sure they're 1 metre, but don't hold me to it because they might not be. But they are really, there's a lot there anyway, whether they're 1 metre or not, there's a lot. And like I said earlier, from that piece of paper, that would be 80p, which is a bargain. Right, this is cubed and it is squares. I don't know why I was so confused, and considering there could be anything else because that doesn't make any sense. But look. Different size squares. How beautiful are they? And they're holographic as well. Holographic is always my favourite type of glitter. Then we've got a pigment and it's called Blush Fondant. It looks like this. Beautiful, beautiful colour. Lovely shimmer to it as well. And then we've got hologram dots. Oh, wow. Look at those. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. I've just tipped them everywhere, but look. Oh my God. I can't even explain the effect of these, but you can see it on camera, thank God, because I wouldn't be able to explain it. But how absolutely incredible are they? They look amazing. I might have to do a video with those really, really soon. And I always say that, but I'm being serious with these because these are phenomenal. And they're all over my desk now, so I might as well. And then last but not least, I've not even looked at the name. This is called Fierce, and it is a glitter. That is this one. Look how beautiful that is. That is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, you get all of that in there for, like I said, it's £12.99 on the website if you don't use a discount code. I'm not the only one with a discount code, by the way. So if for any reason you don't want to use mine, which would be strange because it's discount for you regardless of who you use. But yeah, if you don't want to use mine, there is other ambassadors that represent Sparkle Supplies UK that have discount codes for you to use. Plenty of them are on YouTube, I'm sure. So there's always someone. Definitely join the Facebook page for Sparkle Supplies UK. It's called SSUK Sparkle Group, I think. I'm pretty sure that's it off the top of my head. But if it's not, it's something like that. It starts with SSUK anyway. And yeah, you can see everyone's codes on there and stuff, and people using the products from the website, which why wouldn't you want to see that? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back next month with the next one, of course. The discount code is in my description box as always, and I will put it on the screen if I remember. I probably won't because I always say that and I never do. It really annoys me, but there you go. But yeah, it's always in the description box with every discount code I've got for every brand I work with as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.